Hey, Jennifer, I thought this would be easier than typing it up. This is your class here. And I keep going in there and trying to figure out where everything went. And then I figure it out. But you want to go down to settings. And then, where did it go? It's just, oh, you go to navigation, sorry. And you got to pull it up here. So it's down here under Pearson. It is Pearson, right? Or is it? No, it's McGraw-Hill? Oh, no. Proctorio. It's down here. Oh, for heaven's sake. Oh, Secure Exam Proctor. That's it. I couldn't remember. And then you just pull it up here. It won't show, but now it makes the extension available to your class. Okay, that was pretty painful. Okay.